What is up, guys? Malama here. Welcome back to another online money hooks video channel. If you like the videos that I'm putting out, please feel free to subscribe and like as I put out more content like this. Now in this video I'm gonna be talking to you guys on how you can make money online as a beginner with affiliate marketing, and I'm gonna be looking at some of the best products that you can promote with affiliate marketing, and exactly how to promote them the right way, and how to use the right tools to promote those products. So the products that I'm gonna be talking about in this video, the very first product that I'm going to present to you guys is ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is a software, it's a funnel building software that helps you build sales funnels, lead generation funnels, membership sites, as well as sales pages, landing pages, and opt-in pages to sell your products, deliver your products, and follow up with your prospects or leads, and also create membership sites such as where you can present your courses and trainings. It's got a place where you can create a members area. So with ClickFunnels, it offers you a 40% commission. So for like for $97, when you get somebody to sign up for the $97 plan, you get about $40 to $38 monthly recurring income. So that's a good thing about ClickFunnels. And if you sign them up for $297, you get $118 every month. Plus, if you get 100 active ClickFunnels members under you, you get $500 bonus on for every $100 plans that you bring in under you. If you get to 200, you paid $1,000 a month. So there are products that you can promote, like Funnel Builder Secrets, which pays you in between $800 to $1,000 somewhere. So these are the potential earnings with Funnel Builder Secrets. So all you have to do is make 1 or 2 sales in a month, and you're already making $1,000 plus every month. So how do you go about exactly doing this method the right way? Before we jump into that, there's this other product also that you can promote and get paid $100 for every sale that you bring in. And there are books that you can promote, funnel scripts, network marketing script. So there's a whole bunch of products that you can basically go ahead and promote to earn a commission with ClickFunnels. It's so far one of the best affiliate marketing programs out there. If you said, most of the people are making really good money with it. So how exactly do you go about doing it the right way? So the very first thing that you need to do is search. But before we rush into that, I want to talk about some other cool softwares that you can also sell. Something email marketing softwares like ActiveCampaign, GetResponse gives you $100 for every account that you refer, and a 3% recurring commission. So that's a really good program as well to do. So the basic way to do this is to sign up for a word such as this one, KeySearch. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video to where you can find this product. This helps me do my research. So as you can see, whenever you come over here and click, type in ClickFunnels, it's going to bring you some results and keywords results that you can go ahead and use. So as you can see, these are the results that it's come up with. So what this does is like ClickFunnels review, ClickFunnels pricing, pages pricing, ClickFunnels membership site, alternatives, ClickFunnels alternatives. So you can come over here and pick a topic. What I would encourage you to do is go for these results that are in green. These would be really easy for you to rank in the search results because competition is not that much. So you can get the ones that have got at least a really good score, but with less competition. So as you can see, I'll target things like best sales funnel builder, and I would recommend ClickFunnels, Actionetics, ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels Shorting Cut, ClickFunnels versus lead pages. It's got 1,300, and the score isn't even that much because it's not even showing up here, so it's pretty low. And that's how you start. So now you'd be asking, why would you need such low volume keywords? Well, If you bundle it up to where I've got like 5 pages that are bringing in 140 views per day, another 5 pages 140 views per day, another 5 pages, you would find that as you accumulate these articles, you'd get to almost 700 views a day, which is a really good search volume for a month, and you've got more chances of somebody clicking through your affiliate links and actually purchasing your product. So how do you do this? Well, you can select any keyword that you feel is good for you, and you can go ahead and create a post. So as you can see, this is one of the posts that I created talking about marketing funnels, and if somebody clicks through this link and comes to this web page, I make a commission with ClickFunnels, and that is exactly how I managed to make the $200 that I just recently made. Because I'm still a beginner with this, I'm just still trying out a whole bunch of things, and I'm yet to learn a lot of things. So I made $200 using some of the methods that I'm showing you in this video. So I would highly recommend you guys, you're just starting out, join the ClickFunnels affiliate program and sign up. Now there's a bonus I'm giving you guys that are watching this video. If you feel you need help with the journey, I can show you some of the strategies that I'm using. I started a free Facebook group that you can go ahead and join. I'll leave it in the link in the description of this video to where you can get personal help from me. So if you feel like signing up for the ClickFunnels or the One Funnel Away challenge, which is starting in 5 days, as I said, you can feel free to click the link that is down in the description of this video. So I earned $200 using some of these strategies, and this is just the beginning. Another place where I had earned money is with Warrior Plus, doing the same method, but with this one I also did some YouTube videos, and I got pretty lucky and got a few sales here, got to make a few $100 here and there, and the ball is just starting to get rolling. So I'm just going to get into my Warrior Plus account and show you guys how much I've been able to make using some of these strategies. As you can see, I just withdrew $249 and I have $20 pending inside here. So this method works, guys. All you have to keep up is with consistency and effort. So step 1 is you want to go ahead and sign up for this search tool. I'll leave a link in the description of this video so you can get a discount. It's just about $19 or $17 every month, so it's pretty cheap, and you can get a ClickFunnels account. Plus I'll add in some bonuses and some pre-made funnels that you can use to promote some of these products. So feel free to reach out. I will leave a link in the description where you can reach me out on Facebook as well as in Messenger. So thanks very much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.